Hello world, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of this. It's the WiMius HD Video Projector. I'm going to be talking about the pros, the cons, the affordability and the like, if it's something you should get and if it's worth your time. Welcome to the show GV Tech. I'm G Vader. Let's get to it. Let's go straight into the unboxing. Let's see what we have in here. Okay. Ooh, this is nice. It's a bag. Let's try and get it out. Okay, let's take the box to the side. And then we have, this is really neat. I like this packaging. Okay, and it's not a random bag, it's a branded bag, so you know it's legit. Let's see what we got in here. Unzip in. Whoa, okay. Okay, these are some screwdrivers and instructions. This look like some tips for cleaning, I guess. Let's put that to the side. Okay, this is pretty neat. Oh, a 3-year warranty. This is pretty neat. I like the way it's been packaged. I wish more products would be packaged like this. Okay, great. So we have 2 compartments. One for the remote, cables and stuff. You have your power cable, UK standard issue. In a small bag, what do we have here? Let me just open this up. Okay, we have a cool remote control. It says 60. I'll figure what that means. We have I think a microfiber cloth for cleaning stuff. And then we have an HDMI cable. Okay, a composite cable as well. I reckon this is for audio out, so you can plug this to your hi-fi system or to whatever sound system you have. And okay, a manual. Okay, this will come in handy someday. Throw that to the side, and we get to the pièce de résistance. Okay, let me try and get this out gently. Okay, yes. This is it. I'm gonna take the bag to the side. And yes, so let's open this up. Woo, okay. Okay. This looks really nice. It looks well built and well made. It feels sturdy, it feels heavy. So this is the front. I reckon this is for the remote control, the RF. This is the lens cover we have here, obviously for focus and zoom, I reckon. Let me see what this is. Okay, yeah, oh, this is a fan and a filter. Okay, because like all projectors, it will get hot when it's working. And your electricity port, input port. At the back here we have a couple of ports, 2 HDMI ports, 1 AV port, headphone jack, 2 USB ports, and an IF. Okay, cool. The major instructions are up here, major control buttons that you can use if you don't have the remote. So far so good. This is really looking good. I like it. It feels sturdy. That's what we have at the bottom. Okay, we have this is for adjusting. You can make it slant up or slant down. Nice. So we have the interface. It's a basic interface, but I'm shooting this in daylight. I'm trying to project out its daylight, and it works well. Not bad. And there's the those are the controls at the top there. On the side again, we have the focus. And just to make sure that you get a clear image. So this is the main interface you see. Has a lot of options. We're gonna check out the movies. For this, I just plugged in a USB stick at the back on one of the USB ports, and we're gonna check out a movie. I'm trying to see the quality, to see what it looks like. It's really decent, and again, my camera can't fully capture the quality, so it's much better than this. So whatever you see assume it's 5 times better in real life. So there are also other options to watch a movie. Like I said, USB stick, through the HDMI port you can connect to your laptop or other devices and then have the image show up on the projector. And you can also stream, so you can connect your streaming box to it. In this case, I'm connected by Amazon Fire Stick. Just gonna check out something on Disney Plus just to let you see how it is. So it's pretty much versatile. You can connect multiple devices and you have options on how you want to consume content. So again, Netflix, YouTube, you can also use it to view images. In this case, the images are on my USB stick again, so you can flip through or you can have it play like a slideshow. And then you can also flip images. So if you have images in portrait mode, you can have them flip so you can view them the right way. So it's pretty okay to use. In terms of setting, you have options for settings. So for the picture, you have a whole range of settings, quality, saturation, brightness, contrast. In terms of adjusting, you can adjust the vertical zoom, horizontal zoom, and so on. You can control sound in terms of balancing, bass, treble, or the default sounds that you would usually have on a TV set. Those are present here as well. You also have options for the connectivity and so on. You can do languages. So it's pretty versatile in terms of the options you have for the settings and so on. So you can connect a Bluetooth device to this. So if you have Bluetooth speakers, you can connect them to this, or Bluetooth headphones as well as an option. So you have that fully immersive experience. Here's my verdict on the projector. In terms of picture quality, it has great picture quality. In terms of sound, the sound is good. Although I would say it's better enjoyed when you connect a Bluetooth speaker to it or a hi-fi setup and have large speakers. That really puts you in an immersive experience regarding the sound. In terms of connectivity, I would say it has pretty good options. You can connect via Bluetooth, you can connect to your mobile phone, you can connect your laptop to it, you can connect to other devices to it as well. It has multiple ports at the back, it has the Wi-Fi connectivity as well. So in terms of connectivity, you're pretty much covered. In terms of durability, I would say it's durable. It's hefty, like I said. It's during the unboxing, it's weighty. It doesn't feel like something that would fall off a table or off a coffee stool and then just break and shatter. It feels really good and well built, so that's a plus. In terms of affordability, I would say it's pretty much affordable because it falls between that 150 to 300 price range for this kind of projectors, and you're getting good value for money. Who's this projector made for? I would say if you're the kind of person that likes watching movies on the weekends, it's fine. You can get people together, watch a good movie, watch it on the big screen and have that big cinematic experience. But if you want to use it every day, I would say no. I would suggest you get you spend more money and get a much higher end projector that comes bundled with smart TV apps in it. So that's something that you have to compromise about again. So in terms of having access to media, you would need to connect a dongle to it. So if you have an Apple TV, you can connect an Apple TV to it, you can connect your Amazon Fire Stick to it, you can connect a Roku to it, and so on, or a Now TV stick to it, and it works perfectly. But again, that's an extra plug-in and an extra power source to power those sticks and devices. But it's a minor inconvenience if you're really willing to go that extra mile. But all in all, I would say it's a good product. You can get it, and I've been enjoying it so far. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, be good.